Hey, what's up everyone? And hey Barbies and Kens. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Gab. It's been a while, as we know, since I finally get to sit down and start filming content for you guys again. And today we are going to do, I've been saving a Halloween haul. These items are from tons. I was gonna say totally and tons at the same time. Too many different places to honestly, I'm gonna have to weed through my brain as I go through all these random odds and ends. But I wanted to share some of them with you, see how you are, tell you how I'm doing, and share some Halloween goodies. So if you guys like this video, please thumbs it up, subscribe down below, become a Barbie or a Ken, and let's get into my Halloween video. So the first thing is these pumpkins I got from Target. I'm kind of obsessed. They were all $3 a piece, and I got them in colors that could also work for November. Obviously September next year I can put them out, and I got this larger sized one because I feel like stuff like this, if you go to Home Goods or to different craft stores, it's quite expensive. So for $3 at a Target in the dollar section where they have the deals, I thought that was a great idea. So I grabbed those. This blanket, if I can find anything similar, I'll try to throw it up on the screen for you. But I really can't find it. It's called Hide and Eek Boutique Blanket. And basically, it was $10. And I may or may not have shit on it by accident. I'll let you decide if that's true or not. But yeah, it's super soft, super adorable. My dog is obsessed with it. Maybe I could put up videos of my dog laying on the blanket.
You doing... Mommy's blankie. Mommy's blankie. No, you're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Mommy's blankie.
She really likes it, and I also very enjoy it. And for $10, oh my god, very enjoy it. That sounded bad. But for $10, I picked that up from Target. Let's see, is this still more Target? I found this fuzzy one for $3. This little pumpkin I thought was really fun. So I grabbed that from the section as well. I think this is another Target thing. It's for a tea light or anything you could just put into the mouth of it. I was even thinking if I filled it with some kind of candy and had guests stick their hand in and have guest candy. Oh my god. Basically that's what it's called. Guest candy. Candy that my guests have. So yeah, I got that, and that was $3 as well. And then I got this tiny squishy pumpkin. I wanted to get two different textures and different colors of orange when I got these. So I got this little beanbag one too. I usually don't get decor stuff like this, but because I'm going to be moving and this is stuff that I could all use in the future, I figured why not. Let's see what else is in here. This is not a part of this haul. Why is this in this bag? Oops. I'm still looking. Okay, these are all from Dollar Store now. So I got these bows because they were very Halloweenish. I thought they were quite fun. And then this is from Dollar General or Dollar Tree, another just random little spread out pumpkin. These I got, these were so fun. They're these glittery branches. And then I got these roses, and the roses in the middle have eyeballs. I got this from a different dollar store than I normally go to, which was really cool because mine didn't have anything like this. So I got that, and then I also have a little vase for them to throw them in, and then I want to attach the bow to a front. So maybe at the end of the video I can show you that all together. I want to do something on my table, possibly a little fall spread out, so maybe that will be the front of this video, or you know what I mean. We'll see how that goes. We'll see what Gabby actually does and says. This ball I got because I think we actually took this to the beach with us, but we got this pumpkin ball, and my dog is kind of obsessed with it as well. She loves to play with it. I got this fake corn to put out as spreaders, or I could use it even for a craft project. I got this for the door. It's just a Halloween little door hanger. I thought it would be fun, you know, little odds and ends. Not too much, but some things, you know. These I love. I was like, I'm grabbing that. That is so stinking adorable. To put a tea light in and to light up. I love that. So I grabbed it. This is glitter all over it. I don't know when this got glitter on it, but I grabbed this because I love stress balls. I love stress relievers. It lights up. Yeah. So I also grabbed that from the dollar store. Why do I feel like I'm missing something? Because I'm probably missing something. No, I didn't. I do that. What am I missing? Okay, so I did forget like a whole bag and something else. So I grabbed it all and it is here. I bought this as an impulse because I've been trying to track one down forever. And I was like, you know what? It is spooky season. We need to get it. This is a 1994, I believe, the year I was born. Sky Dancer Halloween edition. The camera's freaking out in the orange. It's like, where do I focus? This little bat is freaking adorable. She is up there. Her wings are in weird condition, but she is there. And she still flies. I thought she was going to crack me right in the face. Should we try it again? And she still flies. But I don't like to fly her because, as you can tell, it is an older piece and the wings have damage and I'm not trying to damage it more. But for the sake of a video, that is how she flies. Okay, on to more things I got here. This was picked up randomly at a flea market because it is a vintage lit up pumpkin, and I will show you when you light it up on the side screen that it is a lime green on the inside and it is freaking awesome. A pumpkin that is black with lime green on the inside is unique and fun and different. And as you can see, I got so many scattered of like pastel and fun ones. I needed something to break that up that was creepy and cool. Oh my gosh, that almost just fell out of my hand. And last but not least, we have a random bag that says Target, but I think it's misleading. I don't think it's all Target things. So one of them is right in front of me and I want to show it to you. I know it's not Halloween, but it was in the fall section, so whatever. This is a baby bear mug. It is, I don't even think I need to explain what it is to you. It's stinking adorable. Look at its little ears. It's adorable. I have a mug issue. I think when I move, I might have to do like a collective mug haul video. It sounds dumb, but I'm telling you, when I do it, you'll appreciate it and be like, wow, that's a classic ass mug collection, Gab. And I'll be like, yep. All right, let's continue on. This is what I was looking for. That's why I knew I didn't have everything. This is like a pink little, I hate skulls, but for Halloween, a pink little skull tea light holder. Adorable at its best. This was from a craft store, if I do believe my memory correctly. It is a replica of a chipmunk. I have a problem. I'm obsessed with the chipmunks. I can't talk today. I have a lot where I live. They are adorable. They probably would fit in the palm of my hand as such. And they are adorable. I don't know what other words to use to describe them. I just really, really, really like chipmunks. And I don't even want to tell you what I paid for this stupid thing. But I was like, you know what? I will put it with my fall scatter. Look at that. He's on the pumpkin. He's having a blast. What else is in this bag? Oh, so I actually got 2 of these. I thought I did, not just one. So I have 2 of the eyeball spider flowers and then 2 of the branches, glittery branches, whatever you want to call them. This was in here. It has an M on it for the changing of my new last name because I am engaged, if you didn't know already. Eventually we'll be doing engagement videos, but that is way, way, way in the future. Well, future. And then last but not least in the bag was a squishy ghost, which I also think I got at like dollar store or something with the tag on it still. And it's a ghost and it's actually really soft and squishy. I, if you didn't know, have chronic pain issues and I'm in a pain a lot. I'm in all types of pain. All of the pains, they just flock to me and I need stuff that I can squish when I'm not going to lose my mind and take it out on other people. You feel? I feel. So that was everything that I got. Randomly just picking things up for Halloween decor. I can't wait to show you guys next year all the cool stuff that I have. I mean, I don't have like a massive amount of Halloween stuff, but I had some stuff I could have put out, but it's all in storage and blah. So I will show you at some point or at the end of this video or beginning or whatever my table decor layout that I'm doing, because like I said, too much going on right now to actually like decorate and do something like that. But definitely like in the future we will have some kind of like fall or Halloween decor walk through my home, because knowing me, I love stuff like that, but right now isn't the time or the place, but it will be at some point. So I hope you guys liked the video. Tell me in the comments down below your favorite thing that I picked up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.